Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. The new year videos have been uploaded, to check them out also. They are the readings for the entire year. So let's see what are your energies, Cancerians. What's on your side? So on your side we have the Five of Wands. Okay, let's see what are the energies of the person you are dealing with. Okay, we have the Four of Cups. The most likely outcome in this situation is the King of Swords. Okay, so Cancerians, you are dealing with some sort of a conflict, some sort of a fight, argument. It can be an inner conflict or it can be an argument with them or a conflict with them. So there is some, or it can be just a confusion of some sort. We'll clarify what that is. On your person's side, we have the Four of Cups. Definitely this person is also upset. So overall what I feel is that there has been a clash or an argument or some sort of a disagreement between both of you, and because of which this person is also really upset. For the most likely outcome, we have the King of Swords. So what I feel here is both of you are really upset, but both of you are not talking to each other. Okay, there is a detachment, there is cold energy, there is, even if you are communicating for some reason, then it is a minimal logical sort of a communication. If it's like whatever is needed is being said. Okay, otherwise what I feel is it is a cold and a detached energy. So let's clarify the Five of Wands here for you. So let's clarify the Five of Wands for Cancerians. So for the Five of Wands, we have the King of Pentacles, the Four of Cups on this side also, and the Devil. Okay, so let's clarify the Four of Cups on your person's side. So for the Four of Cups, we have the Five of Cups, the King of Cups, and the Page of Wands. Okay, let's clarify the King of Swords as the most likely outcome. So for the King of Swords, we have the Strength, the World, and the Three of Pentacles. Okay. So Cancerians, what I feel here is that first of all, we have the King of Pentacles here and King of Cups here. So both of you are at the same page. Both of you are sort of equal to each other or similar to each other or whatever that is. Okay, so both of you are at equal status, or the nature wise, or it's like both of you are sort of mirroring each other. The only thing is we have the Pentacles here and the King of Cups here. So I'm getting that sort of an energy that both of you are at the same page, equal status, maybe financial, maybe some nature wise, something of that sort. Okay, so we have the King of Pentacles, the Four of Cups, and the Devil here. So what I feel is this person is ready to it's your energy, can be them, but this person here on this side is ready to provide everything for the relationship, but there is something here which is sort of harming this relationship, and because of that the person is upset. Okay, so though you want to provide everything for the nourishment of this relationship, for the growth of this relationship, there is something here which needs to be corrected, which needs to be sort of worked upon. So because you yourself are also upset because of that. That's what I feel. It's not that they are only upset. So whatever the fight or the argument happens between both of you, you are also upset, but somehow for some reason, with the Devil being there, maybe you are not able to correct it for some reason. Maybe it is some habit of yours, some nature of yours, something here is there which you know is wrong. It's not that you are not aware of it, because you yourself are upset about it. You know it's something wrong in me, this is my habit, but I'm not able to correct it, sort of a thing. Okay, that's what I feel. Otherwise it is a beautiful energy on both the sides, but I think something happens here. Maybe it's a volatile nature, maybe you are in the habit of like being a little more controlling, obsessive. Can be that, can be you are too damn straightforward, maybe rude. It can be anything which is harming or hurting the other person, and you know this in your nature, and you know that it has to be corrected. So even though there is a lot of beauty in the relationship, the emotions are pure, everything is fine, but the only one mistake perhaps is causing problems in this relationship. For the Four of Cups here, we have the Five of Pentacles, the King of Cups, and the Page of Wands. So this person is really feeling ignored and rejected. Okay, they are really upset over it. They have a lot of emotions for you. Okay, and they are wanting to have a new beginning also. So perhaps you are not talking to them. Maybe you are being egoistic. That can be the devil energy over here. Maybe you are being too arrogant and egoistic. It can be that. Because maybe you are a more stable person and a grounded person. Maybe this person is very emotional, more emotional than you are. Okay, so maybe they are hurt easily, can be that also, but they do want a new beginning with you. And they are really hurt with whatever has happened between both of you. For the King of Swords, as the most likely outcome, we have the Strength of the World and the Three of Pentacles. So what I feel here is, this situation is perhaps a little tough situation and it's requiring a lot of strength to deal with it. But what I feel here is that you will be able to overcome it and you will be able to team up together or get back to each other together. But somehow the vibe which I am getting here is, it's like you are at a workplace or friend of friends type of a thing. I really don't see, even if there are emotions, they are sort of not expressed yet. It's like maybe you people are at a workplace or friendship or something of that sort. So you will get back together, everything will be fine, that's what I feel. But yes, this process isn't easy for any of you. It is not easy for any of you. Maybe this fight was a bigger one, it can be that also. So let's see what is the message from this deck for Cancerians. Number 27 may be of some significance for you. Spiritual connection. A relationship that has connection. A relationship has a connection that goes beyond this lifetime. So maybe it is a soulmate type of an energy which you are connecting with, Cancerians. So I just hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.